Hey, how we doing? I was given a product to test and review this week. This is a Prepared 4X survival torch. Basically, it is a ferro rod built into an aluminum frame that has its own wick. I haven't even taken it out of the box yet, so I'm going to see what this thing looks like and how it works. Alright, let's take a look at this. So inside the tube, we have a little burlap sack with a logo on it here. I would assume the burlap is also flammable, which would be good. And let me pull this thing out here. Alright, so we have a wick wrapped ferro rod here. Don't smell any chemicals or anything on the wick. And a bit of bubble wrap. Alright, so we got a scraper attached to one end of the string. That's your ferro rod, and the purpose of this is to be able to strike it and light the string on fire, or the wick on fire, so that you don't have to hold a lighter underneath your fire as you're starting it. So if it works, it seems like a good idea. On the end of the striker, you'll see it has a little teeth. You're supposed to use a little teeth to spread the wick apart. So I'm just going to back up and do that. Alright, we got that good and chunky there. And then put the wick near the ferro rod and use the ferro rod to make fire. So let's see how this thing works. Might aim off a little bit. I think that's lined up. Giving good spark. Let me pull this a bit closer. I've never tried this before with this system. Okay, let's put it right on the end of the thingy. Oh, there we go. And we have fire. Now that'll definitely be easier to get something going with than even trying to hold a Bic lighter, because you'd be burning your thumb. But alright, that seemed to work. And it said it's wind resistant. And apparently it is. It's very wind resistant. Alright, the method of snubbing is to pull this into the tube and let it self-extinguish. Okay. Alright. Well, hey, it works. That was easier than I figured it would be. Let's see if we can get this thing to light back up again. So you pretty much want this right, like kind of almost folded right at the end of the ferro rod to get this thing to ignite. Alright, I got it extremely scraped up here. And we'll give this another go. It's a bit tricky getting it to stay where you want it to be on the line of fire here, because it's a cord and it wants to go whichever way it wants to go. There we go. Alright. With a bit of practice, I'm sure that could get easier. But that's a pretty good flame. And I'm actually more impressed with this now than I thought I would be. I mean, that's going to be easier to light an emergency fire with than even a Bic lighter. Alright. This was a Prepared 4X survival fire stick. Just going to snub it here. And I did notice there were still some embers after snubbing it, so if you're going to put it back in your pack or something like that, make sure this thing is fully extinguished so you don't burst into flames. And I think that's all I got for you. I will post a link in the description. I was given this product for free to review. I do get a small commission if you use that link, just for full disclosure. No other compensation was given. And I think this thing might actually be worth the 20 bucks they're asking for it. And you have plenty of cord here, so it should be good for a while. Alright, that's all I got for you. You have yourselves a great day, and thanks for watching.